This is weekly update number 8 for applications of selected advanced statistics. One more time, your instructor, Charles Ansorgi, is with you for this class this spring semester. And on the screen are the 5 topics for this weekly update. Quiz 1 has been completed, as has unit exam number 1 for the class. There is a PDF document that is posted on Blackboard for the results for the first unit examination, and the scores, raw scores, are posted by the last 4 digits of your NU identification number. In addition, there is a T-score that corresponds to the raw score that you obtained on that first unit examination. These are the descriptive statistics for that first exam. The mean was 24.32 and the standard deviation 4.2. The mean was a little bit higher than what I thought it would be. And so as a consequence, the category of T-scores for a grade of an A is slightly above what I initially told you. That means that if you have a T-score of 49 or above, that puts you in the A category for this first unit examination. Then if your T-score is between 35 and 48, it's a B, and so forth for the grades lower than that. The review process for this first unit examination is ongoing. I think that Nicole said that she had somewhere between 15 and 20 students in the class that had contacted her following the posting of a poll with possible times for the reviews to take place. This poll was posted this past week. What she will do is identify those problems that you missed on the unit examination and provide you with information regarding the correct answer, as well as answer questions that you may happen to have regarding that first examination. This procedure to review the results has worked fairly well over the past few semesters, few years, so I want to continue doing it just to make sure that those that want to find out more about what they missed will be able to do so. Your assignment for this week, this 8th week of the semester, this is the midpoint, by the way, of the spring semester, you need to review the class content, which includes the video segments, on February 28th and then also on March 2nd. You also need to complete the questions that are found in the virtual lab. That's for week number 8. And you should, if you've not already done so, begin reading chapters 13, 14, and 15 of Graviter and Waldau. These are the only chapters for the second unit for the class. Then you need to complete the problems that are found at the ends of the chapters, just to make sure that you understand the content so far for the class. There are some computer programs that you should be working on. All of those for analysis of variance are going to be due before the end of this second unit for the class. Also means that for the t-test programs that were recently due, there's an explanation for each of those, testing the hypothesis that the mean is equal to a specific value, the hypothesis about testing independent means, and then the hypothesis about testing dependent means. You should be familiar with how to set up either Vassar, Stats, or SPSS for doing the data analysis. You're getting experience running those programs because eventually for the project, the class project, you will need to know how to analyze some data that have been provided for you and that are found on the Blackboard course site. So during the next couple of weeks, finish up all of those ANOVA computer programs. You can use either Vassar Stats or SPSS to do this. Obviously, if you do SPSS, either you need to own a copy of SPSS or be able to get access to one. The examples that are provided are examples of real research studies that have been conducted in the past, and they're to give you some idea of how you go about the data analysis process and how you're able to determine the outcome for statistical analyses. Few odds and ends. Next week, in the next update, I'm going to be talking about the class project still a ways off, but it's not too early for you to be thinking about finding a partner, a collaborator to work with you on the project. It's the analysis of data, one of the options, the ANOVA options. And then in addition to analyzing the data, there's going to be a need for you to interpret the results and write up those results as you might for a results section or an analysis of data section for a thesis or a dissertation. Here's some information about the assessments for the second unit for the class. Unit 2. This is going to be the week, let's see, is it the week following? The week following spring break? Spring break is the week of the 21st, so it's going to be the week after that you'll have the second quiz. This is the 31st of March and the 1st of April, quiz number 2. The second examination, unit examinations, on a Tuesday, April 5th. Unit exam number 3, that's 28th and 29th of April, and your unit examination, the last one, is during finals week, and that's on Tuesday, May 3rd. You're going to find that the format for the quizzes and the exams is pretty similar to what it was for the first unit for the class, so there shouldn't be any surprises. And, gee, we've reached the end already. The last of the slides. This is a picture taken of the Colorado River in the Grand Canyon. The Colorado River is the river that's flowing down below. And from up at this vantage point, it doesn't look as if that river is moving very fast, but there are rapids. Those of you that know about the Colorado River know about the white water rafting, which is available down the Colorado River in the Grand Canyon. This was that beautiful vacation a couple of years ago around Christmas time. This is actually a couple of days, 2 or 3 days before Christmas. Nice picture. Nice national park. If you've never visited the Grand Canyon in your lifetime, for sure you need to do so. That's it. I'm done. Weekly update number 8 is history.